Hey guys, we are new to YouTube, and we're the Children's sisters, and we're going to be trying Asian snacks.
Or one snack, the Pocky. Chocolate banana covered chocolate biscuits.
Okay, so let's open this up.
Just a disclaimer, I don't like bananas.
Bananas.
You got the wrong kind.
Oh, okay, this next.
Hurry up.
Okay. I have one.
Oh, this looks so disgusting. Ew.
And I have
Artificial flavor.
Okay, ready? Set, go. This is good. This is good. Chocolate and
It tastes like a banana. And guys, I don't like that one, but my little sister Jay-Z does. Her name is Jay-Z. My name is Lainey. This is the only snack we have today, but we're hoping to do more. We just wanted to test it out and see if people would like our personalities.
And big.
We'll be doing a lot of challenges and stuff, so give us a like, subscribe, thumbs up this video if you like it, and we'll put out more. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.